bugger. Engine cover's got to come off first. Pulls off nice and easy. The thing I've done is taken the cam cover off just here. I've also popped this pipe off just here. And there's two 10mm bolts, 1, 2. Should loosen that out of the way nicely. And it's just a case of undoing all these little Torx bits all the way around cam cover. And with a little wiggle, cam cover will come away and you'll be left with this view just here. Now, your glow plugs are these little bad boys there. One there, 2, 3, and where are you? 4, right inside the cylinder head. So I've just used a pair along those pliers just to pull the wire up. Now, I know there's issues with the wires inside the heads on these, the harnesses, so be careful with it because you may end up replacing this whole harness back to the end of the cylinder head. Just a little 8mm down there, and there he is. I've just got a little quarter drive just to undo that. There's the old one, so I've just undone it with the little quarter drive and just used this pair along those pliers to pull it out of the hole. That's seen some good use. Focus. So I've just used the torque wrench to torque these up. I've gone for 8 Newton meters because that feels about right. If I remember from years ago, it's about that sort of figure for the torque on these, but doing internet search and check that, don't rely on me. So I've got all the glow plugs back in, and the plugs are back on now. Just using a pair of long nose pliers. There it is, not there even, sorry. Quick tour of the cylinder head. So this is your camshaft for your inlet and exhaust valves. These are your injectors down here, and this is the camshaft that runs the injectors. Rock cover back on, and then it's basically just reverse fit everything that you took off. Just a little tip, when you clip the cover back on, just make sure that the bottom of the cover just clips into his little bracket down the bottom there. To do that, all I've used is a pair of long nose pliers, hose clip pliers, 10mm socket, a 30mm Torx bit, and an 8mm socket, a couple extensions, and a little quarter drive ratchet. So I've just cleared the codes out, cycled the ignition again, rechecked DTCs, and everything is all okay.